92 Green Z34 here, and I got like a I'd like to say it's a 1960 farmall 460 tractor. It's 28 degrees outside, and I'd like to do a cold start on it. I don't know if it will. It hasn't been started in forever, it seems. It's probably been a good, damn near a month, I suppose. But I do think it will start. Probably be a little cold-blooded. Pull the choke out. It's in neutral. Key switch is on. Adjust the throttle just a little bit. Choke in for a minute to see what it does. Full throttle, make sure we ain't flooded. Must not be it. Push it back. Choke wide on again. Flooded, but we got it to go for us. I don't know really what else I can show you on this thing. I mean, I think I got a video of me driving around on it before. I've actually tuned it up a bit since my video where I was trying to move dirt with it. It actually has quite a bit more power now and a little bit nicer bucket on it. Ah, shit. Missed my chance. Push back in. Doing a little too much revving with it. More throttle. Oh, come on now, I was just running. there was a technical problem with everyone in my vehicle. So far, they never do this to me, but when I go to make a cold start video, I get help from them. By the way that started, you'd swear it wasn't running just a minute ago. Jesus. I can't see anything anyway, it's too damn dark. Oh well. I'm gonna leave this one for just a minute. I'm gonna move on to my next video in a second. Well, hold up, we're gonna try it. Well, there it went. Something tells me I'm probably getting low on gas. Maybe that's what our problems are. But if it fully warmed up, I think we'd have less troubles. It's very crisp out here. So that concludes this video. Thanks you guys for watching. As always, have a nice day.